Hi there from Chiang Mai. All right, I'm getting a late start here. All right, let's fire it up. Let's cruise. A lot of one-way streets here in Chiang Mai, and also it's on the opposite side of the road that I'm used to driving on, so it's a little funky for me driving here in Thailand. Take it nice and slow. Need to get some sunglasses. Let's see if this guy is working on the side of the road again today, selling teeth. Call it quits from the rain. And it looks like he's here. Oh yeah, my boy. And my girl. No? Close? Are you closed?
Oh, yeah.
Closed? Okay. Alright. See you later. Sorry about any clicking noises against the camera. I'm kind of bumping my helmet into it a little bit. I apologize for that. Not have many choices where I can put this here camera. Bit of rain coming. It's okay as long as it doesn't storm too hard on me. I'll be fine. I like a little bit of rain. Green light. I almost went across there and drove into oncoming traffic because I'm used to the opposite side of the road driving. That's why it's so funky for me. I also don't know if I'm allowed to make a left on a red light here in Thailand. Some people do it some places, but I have no idea where I can and can't do what. Probably frustrating for the local drivers. Better safe than squished. Turn. Turn around up here. Gotta go that way. We did it. Whoa. Go this way. Turn into the old town here. Alright. Then the very first, or the very second side street I guess I cross, I'll turn down and just cruise through there. Less hectic than this ring road I got going on here. Alright, cool. This is my visor. The road dust here is crazy. Kitchen open. That looks good as any other place to eat. So let's park this here. Scooty Putt Jr. somewhere and eat. I'll go park over here. Let's park. Here should be okay. Not good. We'll park back here. It's frustrating. Let's go past. I guess we can just park up against the wall, maybe. Yeah, it's a slope. We'll go here. That'll do it for me. Okie dokie. We did it. Yay. I'm the most professionally mediocre scooty driver on planet Earth. I don't know how I survived Vietnam. But here I stand. Man, that is hot. Holy cow. Hello. The kitchen open? Or no? Kitchen is open? Okay, great. Thank you. There. All right. Holy cow, it's hot. All right, lunch is here. Let's see. Looks delicious. Gotta be quick. Take a bite. Tape is good, and then turn the camera off because we got some Justin Bieber or something playing in the background. Who knows? Yeah, baby. It's really good. No matter where you go in the world, there's always some sort of mooch trying to get a couple bites. You just strolled on in, huh?